Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AGRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Crazy movement today, not only from the price to action point of view, but then you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. So a lot of updates here need to be made with the big gap down. First key update just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into today, that pink line there, the 200 period moving average, was considered an area of support, and actually for a while did a great job of holding as support. Unfortunately, that level cannot quite hold up, and then eventually right there you can see is where the price broke below it. And then after that, that's kind of what opened up the floodgates, and down the price went even further from that point of view. So again, according to the rule, when levels of support are broken, you would expect them to act as resistance. So with any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, $1.70 now going to be that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then you'd want to keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so yes, right now it's valued at 207. But as next week plays out, that line will move itself further and further downwards, so that value will drop. So you have to just be a little bit more proactive as a trader, keeping an eye on that. Now, what about levels of support going forward? Well, I want to squeeze down the chart here to just offer up a little bit more context. And the first key level to watch is going to be down here at this gap close location at $1.40, which is basically right where the price got the little miniature bounce. If you go through the history of things, you can see this was a former area of resistance. And again, just basic rules in charting. When levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened here. Then you fast forward to today, and once again, did a good job of holding as support. So $1.40, definitely a very key level. So good to see that area was able to hold. In the event $1.40 cannot hold up, though, next week, next key level of support to then keep an eye on at that point, right down there around $1.30. So we'll see what happens with it. Clearly not the greatest way to end the week, but maybe this is the start of some sort of bigger bounce. We'll see what happens next week. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find value in this live web class that I'm offering. It's totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link in the description area. There's a live question and answers. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you at the class.